Hello, you are welcome to Palm Oil Hub, a channel dedicated to everything about palm oil business in Nigeria. On this channel, we share insights about palm oil business, bulk supply, market prices, storage tips, and opportunities in the palm oil trade. If you are a buyer, a distributor, or someone interested in starting a palm oil business in Nigeria, this channel will provide you important and valuable information that will help you to succeed in this business. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of our weekly videos. Also, you can like our videos, drop your comments, and share our videos with your family and friends. Palm oil is one of the most essential cooking ingredients in Nigeria. From homes to restaurants, food vendors, and large kitchens, red palm oil remains a daily necessity. But behind every bottle or gallon of palm oil is a long supply chain that determines the quality, the freshness, and reliability of what eventually gets to the final consumer. In today's video, we are taking you inside Abuja's palm oil market and showing you how we supply fresh, high-grade palm oil daily to buyers across Abuja and Nasarawa State. Palm oil demand in Abuja and its environs is extremely high. Abuja is a fast-growing city with millions of residents, thousands of restaurants, food vendors, caterers, and supermarkets. All these businesses require a steady supply of quality palm oil every single day. Because of this high demand, suppliers must maintain a consistent flow of fresh stock to meet customers' needs. Our supply chain starts from the source, the palm oil producing regions where the oil is processed from fresh palm fruits. These fruits are harvested from oil palm trees and processed locally using traditional and modern extraction methods. The quality of palm oil depends greatly on how fresh the fruits are, how carefully they are processed, and how well the oil is handled after extraction. One of the key things we focus on is sourcing palm oil from trusted processors who maintain proper standards. Good palm oil should have a deep natural red color, a rich aroma, and a smooth texture. It should not smell or have signs of contamination. By working directly with reliable producers, we ensure that the oil we supply maintains its natural quality. After sourcing the oil, the next step is transportation to Abuja and Nasarawa State, where our main office is. Palm oil is usually transported in large drums or containers to prevent contamination and preserve freshness. Proper handling during transportation is very important because exposure to dirt, water, or poor containers can affect the oil's quality. Once the oil arrives in Abuja, it goes through another stage of inspection. At this stage, we check the oil for color, thickness, and smell to confirm it meets our quality standards. High-grade palm oil should maintain its bright red color and natural consistency. After quality inspection, the oil is carefully transferred into different packaging sizes depending on the needs of buyers. Our major container is the 25 liters jerry cans. Some customers buy also in small quantities for household use, while others buy in bulk for restaurants, catering services, and retail shops. We supply in very large quantities, any amount that you want. 20 jerry cans, 100 jerry cans, whether you need it daily, weekly, or monthly, we are there for you. There are still other common packaging sizes, which include gallons, ranging from smaller containers to large bulk supply containers used by wholesalers and distributors. Proper packaging is very important to prevent leakage, contamination, and waste during delivery. One of the biggest challenges in the palm oil business is maintaining freshness. Palm oil can last a long time when stored properly, but poor storage conditions can reduce its quality. To prevent this, we store palm oil in clean containers and keep it away from moisture and excessive heat. Another important part of the business is logistics and delivery. Every day, we receive orders from different buyers across Abuja and Nasarawa State. These orders can range from small household purchases to large bulk supply requests from many businesses. Efficient delivery systems help ensure that customers receive their orders on time and in perfect conditions. Reliable delivery builds trust with customers and helps maintain long-term business relationships. So if you are going to be buying from us, be rest assured that you are getting the best quality palm oil and very, very fresh. The palm oil market is highly competitive, but quality and consistency always stand out. Buyers prefer suppliers who can provide pure, fresh oil and deliver it reliably when they need it. This is why maintaining strong relationships with both producers and customers is essential in the palm oil business. For many entrepreneurs and intending business people who intend to start this palm oil business, palm oil is also a very profitable business opportunity. With proper sourcing, storage, and marketing, palm oil supply can grow from a small trading activity into a large distribution business serving multiple locations. As the population of Nigeria and the North Central continues to grow, the demand for high-quality palm oil will also continue to increase. This creates opportunities for suppliers who are committed to providing genuine products and dependable services. Supplying palm oil is not just about selling it. It is about building trust, maintaining quality, and ensuring that customers always receive fresh and reliable products. That is why you should partner with us in this business. That is why you should subscribe to this channel. That is why you should turn on that notification bell icon so that anytime we drop new videos, you will be the first person to be notified. So if you are interested in buying high-grade palm oil in bulk or learning more about the palm oil supply business, this channel will continue to share useful insights, market updates, and behind-the-scenes information from the palm oil trade. You can equally use the number on my screen right now to get across to our supply desk, to get across to our customer care department and place your orders, or you can come for inspection anytime you want to come for inspection. Remember, our office is in Nasarawa State, in Karu local government to be precise. So if you are within Abuja or in Nasarawa State and you want to start this business, this is the right opportunity for you to actually come into this business. We are always there 24/7 to attend to you. Make sure that you use the number on my screen right now to get across to us and let us help you get started. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos, and make sure to turn on that notification bell icon so that anytime we drop new videos, you will be the first person to be notified, because prices, storage tips, opportunities about this business are always coming up every day, every week, and every time. There are always new things to talk about in this business. Thank you. I'll be seeing you in the next video. God bless you.